Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S25 Ultra, S26 Plus, Z Fold 7, Z Flip 7 or any of the Samsung Galaxy smartphone if you no longer remember the PIN, password and you're stuck at the lock screen. So here we go. So here is my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Let's assume I no longer remember the PIN, password and I'm stuck here. The fingerprint ID is not working, the Face ID is not working and I can't bypass this screen to go to my device and start using it. So to remove any kind of security from your device, you have to either do it from the settings or you need to perform the hard reset. For both of them, anyhow you need the access to your smartphone settings. So in this video I'm going to show you how to perform a hard reset right from your lock screen to remove all kind of security from your device and gain the access back to your Samsung smartphone. But keep one thing in your mind, that whatever content we got here on your device will be deleted. For example, you can see I got plenty of applications, social media apps and everything, lots of stuff in the gallery as well, so everything will be wiped out and you will start totally fresh with it. So once you are at the lock screen here, the very first thing you have to do is switch off your device. Once the device is switched off, you need to connect it with your laptop or computer via a USB Type-C cable, and after that you need to press the power button and volume up keys together. You need to do this before anything comes on the screen after connecting the USB Type-C cable. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to press and hold the power button here and then connect the USB Type-C cable that is connected with my laptop here and then quickly press the power button. Keep pressing the volume up and power keys. Once the Samsung Galaxy powered by Knox logo appears, you can move your finger from the power key, but keep pressing volume up until this screen appears. So now we are inside the recovery menu of our Samsung Galaxy smartphone. You can remove the USB Type-C cable now, and here you can see that we got multiple options. The second one is wipe data factory reset. So this is what we are going to use to remove the all kind of security data from our device. To navigate between the options, we need to use the volume keys and power button to select that option. So volume down to go down, volume up to go up. So just press volume down to go to wipe data factory reset. Here you will see this warning message that this process will wipe out everything from your device. Just press the power key once and once again it will show you this warning message. The language of the menu is changed, but I know we need to go to the second option. This is the one that we have to use, and then press the power key once you are at that option. And here at the bottom you can see wiping off the data is started and completed. Formatting data, formatting cache and data wipe is completed now. So now by default the reboot system now option is selected. All you have to do is just press the power key once and now the device will reboot and you will have to go through the setup process. Once the setup process is completed, you will be able to use your Samsung Galaxy smartphone without any issue. If you were using your Google account on your device, then here you will reach this FRP screen where it will either ask you to enter your previous PIN or use a Google account. Since we did not know the PIN, that's why we performed this action. We will have to use our Google account to log into this device. But if you do not remember your Google account as well, then you can watch our another video where I have shown how to bypass the Google FRP on your Android smartphone to gain the access to it. The link is given in the description of this video, and if you're not using your Google account on your device, then you do not need to worry about this step and you will be able to finish the whole setup process without facing any issue and you will be good to go. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.